My fans, and welcome to my channel. My name is Instructor Alison, Math and Science tutor in Pidgin English. Today, I want to teach you calculus. Calculus, I don't tell you before, say divide into two. One are differential calculus, otherwise called differentiation. The second one they call integral calculus, otherwise called integration. So today, we want to do integration. I will break down everything you need to know on that integration to become awesome on the integration. Make you run out. Integrate 1 minus x over x cubed with respect, write it down. This thing mean with respect to x. With now shortcut with that, with respect to x. Let me what it mean. So now, what you need to do. This thing as it be like this, it will be like saying now what we know if it's over because why? They just write down like talk, big talk, big talk. So make we break them down. Why this thing with the fall for ground? We know someone use that right. Now so then they do for this side. Interpret it like this. Integral of this s way long like this of 1 minus x over x cubed with respect to x, write down like this, dx. You know, so you don't hear about dy dx, dy dx, dy dx. It's simple. I still need to teach you where, how that thing be. Now see this one already and how one takes over. Mark carry this thing closer and make the thing no go. Make it no go finish. So my fans, if you want to solve this one, now plenty things I need to introduce to give you. First thing, I want to show you the general formula for integration. Now which will help us to solve this one. If you see integral of x to the power of n with respect to x, now with the general formula of integration, no, the result of this one will give you x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. What be this c? C now the constant of integration. An arbitrary constant. Why we call it arbitrary constant? Because if we assume any value for it, we say, okay, make that c, since now a constant, make it be 2, make the constant be 3, make it be 20, make the constant be 100, make the constant be 5, make it be even 1. Now we call arbitrary constant. If you assume any value. If you hear that English before, I know the meaning. Nothing there. Tell me the meaning, my fans. So this thing now, this is a solve problem here. But first thing first, this thing needs more simplification. We need to run and down. Remember, for the denominator, only one item we get. For up, now 2 items. Which that will try to let you know, say, this one fish share from this item. This x fish share from this item. So they want separate. So I want separate them. Maybe they don't get issue because they like fight sometimes. Integral of 1 over x cubed. 1 don't call it your own share. The sign we did there. If you're na plus you go right there. If na minus you go right there. X say, okay, give me my own share. You don't call it your own. So as all of them don't separate like this, they won't just do their things their own special way, their own special way. You understand? So now, as it be like this now, this thing and this thing are the same thing, because if you take the LCM of the denominator, now this one, maybe the LCM. So if you say this one divided by this one, it will give you 1. 1 times 1, and be this one. This one divided by this one, it will give you 1. 1 times x, and be this x. So this thing and this thing are the same thing, no why you, everything did the way it be. Now, the next thing I will do, now to say, okay, as it be like this, make we share, make we still share further. I think do too many things around here. And make I keep it simple. Make we still there inside the bracket, they run our matter. Remember for indices too, I will easier to do my rough work. If I get 1 over p squared, this is it relates to this one, I make a do one like this. So that the same thing as p raised to the power of minus 2. This 1 over, where they call inverse. Call them inverse. Repeat after me. Inverse. I'm gonna no bite your mouth. Or I call them where inverse. The way we know them. Inverse. 1 over, then they call them waiting. Inverse. Another way they call 1 over now reciprocal. They call them waiting reciprocal. So reciprocal of p squared now p raised to the power minus 2. What it mean? We say this 1 over now you change to this negative sign. Where this thing come from? That particular law of indices we call negative index. Negative index, if you get a to the power of minus b, this negative sign will change to 1 over. This is a negative sign and they change to 1 over. So if you swap at any time, 1 over this a raised to the power of b, a raised to the power of b. And where the law come from? Negative index under indices. So now, when you see 1 over x to the power of 3, what you will need to do? 1 over x raised to the power of 3. She believes that x to the power of minus 3. based on this thing we will talk about. This thing be like this one be like this one. You enter talk now, you enter. Now this 1 over I change to this negative. X to the power of 3 na still x to the power of 3. In just 3 just shift small, make this 1 over come enter that line. Na wetin e mean. Then before this one. What of this one? This one now, x, 1x dey up, 3x dey down. See am, see am. X over x cube means x times x times x. I go break everything down. You go understand math for this line. This one will cancel only one thing here. Some people will say na 0 dey up. No be 0 dey up. Now 1 remain for up. 1 over x times x, x squared. Let me say this one will reduce to 1 over x squared. For math, see as we dey easily do am. This one will just cancel this one, remaining 2 here, instead of this process. But I just break am down, you may agree with me. So I will say integral of this one don't change to x to the power of negative 3 minus this one don't change to 1 over, I know say 1 over x squared are the same thing as x to the power of minus 2. Based on this thing we will do now, based on this thing, 1 over x squared, this 1 over go change, bring negative sign there, will be this one. So here now we just put x to the power of minus 2. I just dey manage, make we do this thing quick. Let me say, if I dey write all these steps them down, you know say this board fit don full. I can't clean and they write another side, and I make I just take am bit by bit. So this thing what they do now rough, take am very seriously. But now you carry me get these ones. So what I can do next? It's simple, even as we reach this point. This integral, these two people they no one day together. X to the power of 3 say you won't collect on go one side. This one say you won't collect on. So okay, they can agree. These two will relate with this one. These two will still relate. After all, then they outside bracket, they won't grab this one. Two of them won't grab this one. See what at the top. This thing can write them as integral of x to the power of minus 3 dx minus integral of x to the power of minus 2 dx. He don't share them. As you don't share them now, see this thing now look like this original formula. Integral x negative 3. Now you go replace n for this particular formula. That means anywhere I see negative 3, I will put negative 3 here. Then solve this one. Anything give me, now be the answer for this one. This one we call n, we get here. Yeah, now negative 2. That means anywhere you see, this one now be the left hand side now. Now this time now be what you want solve. Now this one now what you want solve. So the result now be what you get for the right hand side. I hope say balance. So now how I want to get that one? Simple. It's simple. So what you go do now? I clean this thing now. I use this space, make everything for just there together. So for this particular one, for here, integral of this one means x. I dey plug am here inside this one now. X to the power of minus, in place of this n, minus 3 plus 1. We follow the formula come over minus 3 plus 1. Everything clear for your eye. I don't do why. This negative sign, now I go do here. For this one, put out for the formula. Minus n na minus 2. Yeah, so x to the power of minus 2 plus. Sorry, this plus will be up. Will be when at the same level. Plus 1 over minus 2 plus 1. Anything with the up, now I go photocopy come down. Anything with the now I go photocopy come down. Now plus c. Since I finish this one, finish and now I can put plus c. Some people will finish this one first, go put plus c, come do this one, because you know go do like that. At the end, now you go put that plus c. What that say CB? Put that for comment section. What that say C? What will be the meaning of C? Put that for comment section. I see whether they follow me reach this stage. But if you don't watch this stage, you don't try you. Like this video, I beg. May you not forget. Don't forget after the video, go share them. But like and now, just hit the like button. Do them now. Person will they beg you for things every time. You don't like them. Yeah, make me finish up. So yeah, what's gonna happen? X to the power of minus 3 plus 1. The same thing as 1 minus 3. The answer will give you minus 2 over yeah to minus 3 plus 1. Will still give you minus 2. This minus, bring it down. This one, x raised to the power of minus 2 plus 1 will give you minus 1 abi over still minus 1. But anything we get for up, now you go still get for down plus c. So I want to pass to this thing. It's simple though. This negative sign if you still keep on here. Like this one now, I won't keep on here, but you go relate with this one to give us plus. At the same thing. So see what I do. Minus x raised to the power of negative 2. You don't already agree to me now. Say x raised to the power of minus 2. If you write down 1 over x squared, because this negative sign will change to the inverse or the reciprocal of x to the power of 2. So be that as it may, yeah, now I can get them as this one, 1 over x to the power of 2 over this 2. This negative sign, I mean this one over there. It confuse you? No, now see I'm not. This numerator here, x to the power of minus 2, now be 1 over x squared. Over 2 being there now, minus 2 now being there. The minus we don't already shift and go one corner. Now the same thing. Here too, x to the power of minus 1. Remember say this minus where I want bring come here, it will influence this one to become plus. So x to the power of minus 1 now 1 over x over the same 1 plus c. Some people will say, sir, you're not supposed to be x to the power of 1. I no problem, put down. X to the power of 1 will be the same thing as 1. I put down and make it not confuse you. So what will be the next thing I want to do now? If I do this thing, you know go understand. The math one. Here will be minus this 2 will come multiply this x squared. Will give us 1 over 2 will come multiply this here to give us 2x squared. 1 will multiply this one too, plus 1 times x will give me 1 over x. This 1 over 9 will be 1 over 1 times x will give me x plus constant c. So I mean the final answer to this thing. I don't go come out. I don't go come out. When I say they go, they ask me how I take get this one. I mean, and I will go explain. I don't go feel leave you confused. And wait till they come do here. I don't go allow you to confuse. Yeah, make I show you now from indices. No, from fraction for mathematics. Now you know Sabi I'll show you now. I'll show you ASAP. I'll show you ASAP. Make I use this space. For fraction, when you get fraction, I'll use this thing right there. 1 over x, leave the minus sign because minus sign is still there where it is. Just 1 over this one. 1 over x squared divided by 2. So you know, say this thing, the same thing. If you write that like this, this 2 no get anything under. If you put down over 1, after all, 2 divided by 1, that's still 2. That's still 2. But as this one a fraction, make this one look like fraction too. After all, not the same thing like this. So we need a fissure when you see division. You go change them. You go change division to multiplication. Immediately change division to multiplication, you invert the term after division sign. You flip this one. As you change division sign to times, you turn this one upside down. 1 over 2. That's what they do for maths. Now. So 1 times 1 will give me 1 over x squared times 2. Will give you 2x squared. That's how I get this guy. Shortcut, just carry this one multiply. You shock him. But I suppose say by now, you don't understand everything what I teach you. And this video, they well simplified. The only thing we could do to support me is to share my video. My friend, I'm not gonna lie give you. The only way to support me, make her happy, as I can't see, as I post this video and I can't see them. I can't see say, this people share this video. They support me well, they like themselves. They can't drop comments, way no nice, like way sweet for body. Can't subscribe, join. No. The happiness, they're gonna make me drop things. As even the tell me question where they had the or topic where they are going to drop this thing. This is I would like give you. Thank you so much for your support. Now later now we will see. Peace and love.